Let's look at this. We are asked to find x and y. X and y. Let's first of all find x. This is a right angle triangle. This one on this side, I can bring it out like this. Say this is 50, this is x, this is 6. We are looking for x. X to this angle is facing this angle, so this is opposite. This is the longest line because it's facing 90 degrees. So this is hypotenuse. This is close to this, that is adjacent. So now, we have this known line and the unknown line. So we are going to do this versus this. That is opposite over adjacent. So that is telling you what? Tan 50 is equals to opposite, which is s, over 6. Now, to get s, we cross multiply. That is s equal to 6 multiplied by tan 50. Let's get the calculator to find the meaning of tan 50. That is 1.192 approximate. Let's multiply this. Approximately 7.15. So this is the answer for x. That is the value of x. The next one is to find y. Now we have this to be what? 7.15. 7.15. I also want to draw this out. If I draw this out now, I'm going to have, okay, this is 90. This is 7.15. This angle is 28. This is y. Okay, so with this now, we can move forward. This is 90 degrees. This line is facing 90 degrees. So this is hypotenuse. This is facing this angle. That is opposite to the angle. This is adjacent. Now, this unknown and the known. That is opposite versus hypotenuse. What is that? That is what? Sine. It means sine 28 is equals to y over 7.15. If you cross multiply, y therefore is 7.15 multiplied by sine 28. Let's get the calculator to do that. That is to say 7.15 multiplied by, okay, let's multiply these two. That is approximately 3.36. Okay? So because this is given to us in centimeter, all our answers must also be in cm. Okay? So these are the values of what? S and y. Okay? All this understood. Thank you for viewing.